To contact customer service for Frontier Airlines, start by visiting their official website. On the home page, scroll down until you find the customer service link. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page with various support options. If you prefer to speak directly with someone, you can call the customer service number listed on the page. Alternatively, if you'd like to chat with them, continue scrolling down to find the chat or text with us section. Here, you'll have two options. You can either chat with their support bot for immediate assistance or contact them through WhatsApp for a more personalized conversation. For more contact options, scroll down to the bottom of the page and open the additional contact options section. Choose the method that best suits your needs for support.